unfortunately we are on that track. We are losing our culture, language and resources, and if our people didn't stand up and wanted help, we will be first people like first name. So I'm going to talk briefly about as Martin Luther King said, the arc of moral universe is long, but it bends toward justice. Obviously, when Linda talks about somebody phenomenon, everyone talks. It's very easy to collect people when we organize any cultural event. When you talk about activism, and when you talk about any political thing, the dry stuff, people don't show up. But we know that only politics can bring the permanent and real change. There is no other struggle can make any difference. It will be long, it will be hard, but this is what through political means you can get your rights. There is no other way. As Mazhar has talked about the Indus civilization and other things, I always would like that we should put things in perspective, that where is Pakistan is, let alone people know about Sindh. Pakistan has a neighboring, if you look at it, it has neighbor with India and also Afghanistan, and this is where the Indus River starts, which Mazhar also mentioned, it goes all the way and then finally it goes to Arabian Sea. The whole civilization called Indus civilization because of the river Indus. And this is the part which we are here and talking since 6 o'clock. This is the which is now the current province of Pakistan. This is called the Sindh, the southeastern province of Pakistan. It has on its east side it has the Balochistan, another province where if somebody is studying Pakistan, you will hear a lot of insurgency going on. They have a lot of abduction and killing, which is coming to our province also. In north side, we have Punjab, the most dominated province, where all the military and establishment belongs to that province. Basically, their rules. And then north side, you see again, if I take the metaphor of George, that Canada is nothing just paper country. This country is also a paper country. It's not a God creation. It's not. In 47, British left. They give us this country. It never existed.